What's up, everyone? It's your boy Jermaine, back with another video, back with another walking tour video. Ow! Make sure you are at home watching this on your 4K TV, or you watching this with your Oculus on, with the maximum resolution turned up, with the cable plugged in, because with the maximum resolution turned up, you will definitely need the cable plugged in, you know, because it's going to use more juice. Anyway, what's going on, everyone? We're just doing a zigzag video right now. Yeah, we are going to go through Union Square. We're going to zigzag through here, zigzag go through there. That's pretty much what we got going on. Another day, another adventure. It's pretty warm today. Yeah, I had a jacket on. I ended up taking it off. And it's still February. People always, they always ask about the, you know, the weather and stuff whenever I make these videos. Yes, we are doing our usual walkthrough. It's a warm day, yo. It's usually not this warm in the city. You gotta enjoy it. This will be a great day to go to the beach. This will be an excellent day to go to the beach. Holy moly. I wanna go to the beach. Let's go to the beach after this video. Yeah, guys, it is it's pretty dang warm out here today. Like it's really nice. Wow, I mean, if it's like this in February, what will it be like in March? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Because usually the wind picks up in March. I actually want to go down here. I would totally love a Starbucks drink right now. Oh, I just thought of a new video idea. Just walk around and show how they abandoned. Well, not abandoned, but walk around and show all the vacant businesses in Union Square. That would make a really good video. Because in certain places, like this street here, there's a ton, like that one. This one's open. This one's open. But there's a bigger row here, like this one's empty. This one's empty. This one's empty. I mean, you just keep walking down. There's something there, but like this one's empty. And I just missed a lot of stuff over here I didn't show you guys. There's all these like random businesses, like fancy, not really fancy, but like kind of like small business little shops, you know, fashion boutiques and stuff like that. And they're all below this parking garage, up above. Parking garage has some really nice views, by the way. So yeah, more, you know, closed buildings. I think that video would be a really good idea, actually. Oh, they're just closed for the day, but this one's closed down. I mean, it's just very common around here. And even on the corner. You guys know it's really bad when the corner units go, because the corner unit, that's like the best place to be because you got people like waiting on the intersection. But right here we got 2 corner units going. Crazy, right? Actually, there's 3 corner units. This one's gone, and then this one they never ever rented that one. So there you have it. This is, I mean, if we go down here, there's a few more. There's not as many as this block that we just came down, but you'll definitely find a few more. So over here, if we continue to go this way, this will we'll just straight enter into Chinatown. But instead of going to Chinatown, we're gonna come down through here. I think I need to get on Bush Street. This is a popular Uber pickup spot. You know, I'll tell you something very, very interesting about the Uber app. I mean, just a random thing. I know a lot of people don't care about. Okay, it's random commentary. But one random thing about the Uber app. If you ever, like, okay, this bagel shop, let's just say if I wanted to go pick up there all the time, right? Let's just say I want to just go there and pick up. Let's just say if I dropped off for delivery and I cut my app off and like went back there and waited and cut the app on, like, will I be the first to get a delivery from there? And for the most part, like, that kind of doesn't work, you know? That kind of doesn't work, so I kind of forget why I'm telling this story, honestly. I'm basically saying that, like, certain days I'll go there like 3 times in a row, right? I'll just keep going there, I'll just keep going there, I'll just keep going there, and then other days, like, I won't ever go there. And it's kind of like, it's kind of weird. It's like, Huh. I wonder how does that work? Maybe it's all about where I am for the day, you know? I felt like that made no sense. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna walk down Kearney Street. And if you want to notice what time this is, I'm walking on Kearney Street. This is Wednesday, March the 2nd at 2:35. And we want to talk about places that are closed. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to say that for a separate video. You know, I'm pretty much used to seeing this, right? But whenever I show like downtown now, people are just so surprised. I guess like, you know, maybe the person moved away, and then they just click on the video, and that's like the first time they've seen it since the pandemic, you know. But me, I've just kind of gotten used to it now. It's kind of like great. There's less people around. I guess it's not great, but you know, great. There's less people around. I'm gonna go ahead and creep. But guys, anyway, I'm gonna get ready to wrap this video up because the place I'm going to is like right over here. So who knows? Maybe I'll make a video when I leave from there. On to the next place. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Yo San Francisco now. I mean, I didn't make it this way. All right, peace out, yo.